we did his edges earlier. We did with a 1 open. So we're gonna hit his edges with a 1 closed. And it's gonna look like a true, just a very good fade. It's gonna look like a very good fade, but not high up. This is a low fade. Low fade. And I love low fades. Like, I don't like going up into the top. Some people, you know, it looks good, but we don't do that. So we're gonna hit his edges with a number 1 closed. This is very close. This is gonna make it look like a good ass fade. You know, it's gonna make it look like a really good fade. I'm just playing. I'm serious. Damn, dude, you made me cut it. I have to make it look a little higher, but it's still a low fade. This is still a low fade, but he cut into his own hairline laughing. So I'm gonna make it a tiny. No, this is how actually he made it good. This was a good coincidence. So we're hitting his edges. You see, hitting his edges, and then you're gonna have a nice fade, D. I'm not even playing. You see, you hit over the ear. Just make sure to be gentle. I'm just trying to do good haircut. See, and how long has the video been?
19.
How much?
19.
19. Wow. But this is good. Good. You better watch both part 1 and part 2. It's okay, man. This is a very nice fade I'm doing right now. So now you did the bottom. You're gonna do halfway. Halfway, or you can open it. We can blend it in with the open. Number 1 open. You don't want to go too high, you know. I do high fades, but or medium fade. This is like almost like a medium fade. It looks very good at my perspective. Much better than the high fade. You have more hair. You look younger, and it's faded out beautifully. And we do this the best, you know. Please check out our videos. My grandma was a barber, my dad was a barber, and now I am a barber.com. For real, it's gonna look good. His fade will look good. This is fading. This is called fading, guys. It's called fadedout.com. I raised the fade a little. I ain't gonna lie. But this makes it fresher, you know? Fresher. It's a fresher fade now. This is a true fade. This is a medium fade now. I just wanted to look good, you know? That's all I'm doing. This is why you need a comb. Right here, comb. So yeah, we're finishing out the fade, actually. And when you know how to do this clipper over comb, it's amazing. See like that? You close this door when you do the clipper over comb. When you do, you blend this top to bottom with the clipper over comb. Man, I love this clipper, this wall taper fine, or I think it's called taper something. Man, it's amazing. I love this. I love this clipper. I need this. I need to be using this. We're doing this, guys. We do this. Check us out. YouTube. Good haircuts. Shout out Gino and Jackson Barber Shop. For the love. Always. We love you too. Alpharetta, Georgia. You know. Thank you very much. Beautiful haircut. This is called a fade. This is a fade. You hate it or love it, you know. We might, you know, but now we're gonna put a number 2 on. Or actually, we're gonna open the number 1. We're gonna open the number 1 and just blend it to the top. Open it. Open. Make sure you open it. Don't close it, because then you're gonna really close up his fade high. So number 1 plastic open, fade looking good. Number 1 open is like a number 2. So can't fail with that. This is very good. Looks great. So now, since we did that, well, you can go over it one more time. Just make sure you do the right steps. Always believe in your steps, you know. If you're putting a guard over another guard, you should be good. So the higher the guard number, the better the haircut. This is the blending. You're blending more. So now we're gonna grab a number 2. 3. This is number 2. Yes, it had to be. So now this is number 2 open. I'm gonna go right here. Open is gonna hit us sides, and it's gonna be a perfect fade. You see, look at this fade. Look, I didn't do much. It looks flawless. I'm sorry. This looks flawless. Flawless fade. This is the only way we know to do it today. You know, do flawless fades and love our viewers. Show them the fade, baby, one more time, please. I'm gonna work on this side, but you show them that side just for now. This side. This is number 2 open. So you're not, you know, you're not messing up anybody's hair. You're going from a number 1 open to a number 2 open, and it blends amazing. You know, when you go hit the corner here, blends amazing. And then at the end of the haircut, you want to like comb, blow dry your client's hair. We will have more tutorials on those steps, you know. Either comb, you know, style, wet your comb, put it through your client's hair and make it look nice. You gotta be an artist here, you know, when you're doing this. Artist. You're drawing, you know, with the people's hair. You're drawing with it. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye.